Alright guys, for this assignment you are going to be using the slope-intercept form, and you are going to need to graph all of those equations that are over there on the left-hand side. And when you do that, you're going to figure out the solution to all of these boxes that are down here on the bottom left. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of how to do that on the first one. If you'll notice here, I'm going to use green to highlight some of the parts. Here we have your slope, and then here is the y-intercept. So as you are using that, remember the y-intercept is what you use first, okay? So you're going to go from the middle, and you're going to go plus 6. You're going to go 6 in the positive direction on your y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to put your dot there. You can use your mouse and do the drawing technique over on that side. And then from there, you're going to do positive 1. So remember that means to go up 1 and always to the right 4. So from that spot, you're going to go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. All right? Then what you're going to do, let's see if I can, so you're going to want to go to shapes, grab insert a line, and what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to make a line that goes through those two dots and all the way across. Sorry you hear my son doing his stuff in the background.
I'm recording too.
But what you'll notice then is this line goes through, if you did it correctly, it'll be a straight line, and it goes through a number and a letter. So what this means is 22 matches up with I. So if you come down to the bottom, box 22 is going to be your I. So that's how it's going to work. If you have any questions or any struggles, make sure that you email me, and I will try to figure out a way to get you some help. All right? Good luck.